everyone, this is Curtis Orchard's Cooking with Kids, right here. And I'm Juliana Joyce Graham Bell, and we're going to be doing my Grandma Joyce Curtis's recipe for pumpkin pie. What I'm going to do first is with 1.5 cups flour. And this is a gluten-free flour that is mixed with almond, oat, and coconut flour. And so we're going to do this first, and then we're going to put in a 1/4 cup oil. You want to do that? We're going to put 2 tablespoons of milk in, and we're going to mix it together with the oil. And we're doing a 1/2 cup of oil. We're using avocado oil, but you can use any oil. Olive oil, canola oil. And then you want to pour in the oil and milk mixture into the flour. And then mix it well. We're going to have her pour it into this pie pan. This is a 9.5-inch baking pan, and you can also use an 8-inch one. And she's going to pat it with clean hands. Alright, we've patted it in, and always make sure to pat it up to the edges so that that crust is there when you have the filling in. And now we're going to make the filling. And we're going to be using the same bowl that we used before, so we don't have to dirty another dish and do more dishes. And we're using a Dickinson Pumpkin, and we baked it and then we pureed it to make it look like this. This pumpkin is 1 3/4 cups. And we did 2 eggs, slightly beaten. And now she's putting it in a half teaspoon salt. Half cup would not be a good idea. And then that's 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. And it is uniform in color, a very beautiful orange. We're also going to pour in the condensed milk. And as she mixes that together, I'm going to teach you some history. My Grandma Joyce Curtis, the one that started the Curtis Orchard with my Grandpa Paul Curtis, she was also a typing teacher back in the late 1950s, and she always typed her recipes up with her typewriter. And I actually own her typewriter today. And she's going to pour it into our crust. And we're going to bake it in our oven at 425 for 15 minutes. And then we are going to reduce the temperature to 350 and bake it for 45 minutes. Our pumpkin pie is done, and you can tell that it's done because it's not soupy. It's jiggly, kind of like a soft serve Jell-O. Do you want to say anything else?
Well, it's done, so it's like brown on the edges, and it's getting burned.
Here's our finished product right here, and we have a slice, and we're going to try it. You want to go ahead?
Sure.
It's perfect. It has the gluten-free crust, and it has coconut sugar as well.
It's perfect.
Oh, that's really good.